Good morning, class 5. How are you all doing? I guess you all are doing good, great, fine, with full of energy. That's really great. So, you have been playing, you have been eating, you have been sleeping. See, you have to sleep 8 hours. Do that. Eat your dinner by 7:38. After that, you do whatever you want. Okay. Either you play something, you sit and play Ludo, you sit and play some card games on the internet, or watch a movie, or watch some TV serial, or listen to music. Go around. Don't sleep as you eat. Then you drink some water, and then you go off to sleep. By 9 o'clock, 9:15, your light should be off. Get up in the morning, early morning. See, you will feel fresh. And then whole day you do your work and all. But first thing in the morning, you get up within half an hour, have your breakfast, solid breakfast, eat breakfast like a king, and then you'll get full energy for the whole day. Okay, so now we are at SSC again, and we'll be there at we are proud of them. We have done Rani Lakshmibai, we have done Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Today we are going to do Subhash Chandra Bose, but before that I am going to just read again Bal Gangadhar Tilak, so that we keep on the same track, and or Lokmanya Tilak. I had given you the basic information about it. Today I'll give you basic information about Subhash Chandra Bose also. Actually, you are very junior for me, but my notes are that high grade notes. So, but whatever, it's good to share with you. You will also learn. By the time you come to class 6, you will be ready and totally powerful. And after that, we'll do Sarojini Naidu, and then this chapter is done. Then we can go back to, or we can do religious and social reformers. We can do that also. Socialism, that is also good. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. We have Raja Ram Mohan Roy, we have Dayanand Saraswati, and Pandita Ramabai, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. That will be really good. We should know something about that. It's really good. So anyways, let's come back to Bal Gangadhar Tilak. I'll read that today, and after that I'll explain you Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak was also known as Lokmanya Tilak, was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. He completed his studies from Deccan College, Pune, 1877. He started as a teacher and went on to become a journalist. He criticized the Western education system because he felt that it disrespected India's heritage. He took it upon himself to improve the quality of education for India's youth and started the Deccan Education Society. I've given you this explanation. Now, Tilak, along with two others, co-founded two newspapers. One was Kesari and the other one was Maratha. Now, Kesari was in Marathi and Maratha was in English. Now, Kesari became very popular with the people. Tilak, through the newspapers, urged every Indian to fight for his or her right. And the British called it the greatest overturn, the god of unrest. He had overturned the whole Indian system, the British system, with his Kesari paper. He wanted the British to give India its independence back. He joined the Indian National Congress in the 1890s, but could not agree with the moderate views of some leaders. He did not think that the British would give independence through peaceful means and that the Indians would have to fight for their freedom. He was supported by the nationalists such as Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Rajpat Rai, in this regard. Because he thought we cannot get it normally, they will not give it to us peacefully, so we have to fight for it. So who fought for it with him was Bipin Chandra Pal, and Lala Rajpat Rai agreed We have to fight for our freedom. So these three came to be known as the assertive nationalists, means the action man nationalists, who believed in the use of mass protests to get freedom. As much people they can arrange and go against the system, so that they have to fight for it. So that was, they were called assertive. They were much more than peaceful. In 1908, when two revolutionaries, Prafulla Chaki and Khudiram Bose, tried to kill a British district judge, they were caught. Why were they caught? It's because they went to kill the district judge, but two ladies were in the horse carriage, they died. They were caught. Chaki committed suicide while in the lockup. Bose was hanged. Tilak in his newspaper Kesari defended them and called us self-rule or Swaraj. That is when the British became angry. They said he is supporting them, that he's done a right thing. And yes, he had done a right thing. Why will he leave the British like that? He was arrested and sent to prison in Mandalay in Burma. So they put Lokmanya Tilak to Burma. He was there from 1908 to 1914, 6 years. After his release, he started the All India Home Rule League in 1916 with Annie Besant and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Tilak died in 1920. All they died before independence. Okay. Subhash Chandra Bose was also a terrific ruler. He's one of the tough bosses, you can say the dons of freedom. He was a terror. So I'll give you some information about Subhash Chandra Bose, and after that we will start our book part. So Subhash Chandra Bose, we know him as Netaji, right? Subhash Chandra Bose, first of all, leader of the Indian National Army. President of the Indian National Congress, 18 January 1938 to 29th April 1939. He was preceded by Jawaharlal Nehru, succeeded by Rajendra Prasad. Now, he was born on 23rd January 1897. 23rd January, Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday. We have that, isn't it? Holiday. You all enjoy your holiday. See why you get a holiday. He was born in Cuttack, Bengal Presidency, British India. Present day it is Odisha. Died on 18th August 1945, aged 48, in Japan, Japanese Taiwan, present day Taipei or Taiwan. Now, cause of death says it was an air crash, 3rd degree burns, but till today no one has come to know. This is, we assume. His wife is Emily Schenkeel, and children are Anita Bose Pfaff, and mother is Prabhavati Datta. Father was Janakinath Bose. He had done his education from a Christian school, Protestant European Christian school from the British, in 1902 to 1909, Ravenshaw College in Cuttack, that is a very known college of Odisha, Presidency College, Calcutta, Scottish Church again, Kolkata, and Fitzwilliam Hall Students Board at Cambridge, that's England. Okay. He did his BA in philosophy from University of Calcutta, University of Cambridge. He did his BA in mental and moral sciences. Known for Indian nationalism. Okay, great. So I'll come back in the next video and I'll start telling you about the hero of India.